Hello, my name is Fernando Mendez, and today I will be talking about why teachers deserve to be paid more. Education is very important, and those who are providing that education is important as well. Those people are teachers who deserve to be paid more, and here's why. As a student, I know how students can act, and I know how hard teachers work, and with those misbehaved students, being a teacher can be very stressful and hard. And those same teachers are teaching our youth, which is the future of our country. And a teacher should not feel discouraged on teaching those students because they are not getting paid what they're supposed to be getting paid. Today I have three reasons as to why teachers deserve a higher salary, one of which is um, higher salaries will motivate others to become teachers. Another reason is teachers do more than just teach. And my last reason is higher salaries will help students receive the best education possible. This leads me to my first reason. Higher pay will motivate others to become teachers. Um, Teachers go through a lot of stress, and it's hard for them to teach sometimes, but some teachers also feel punished for being teachers just because they aren't getting paid what they're supposed to be getting paid. According to an article by Sidney Long titled How Higher Salaries Could Save the Teaching Profession states, it's not the most fun way to live, and it almost feels like we are being punished for being teachers and giving back to the community. This is a very strong message from a teacher from this article, and teachers are currently leaving those professions simply because they aren't getting paid enough, and the job is not uh, fulfilling their lifestyle, which is why raising salaries will lead more people to become teachers. A lot of people are avoiding on becoming teachers because of how much they earn, and it will be better for um, the salaries to go up so more people will want to become teachers. This leads me to my next reason that teachers do more than just teach. Teachers motivate students far beyond the classroom. Uh, I myself have had teachers that have taught me more than just the subject that they teach. They've taught me a lot of life lessons that I use today, and they tell me and teach me a lot about college and how it would be for me because I'm becoming an adult in college. So, and according to an article titled "The Impact of Teachers: A Story of Indelible Memories and Self-Esteem" by Robert Brooks states that teachers have a very significant lifelong impact on all of their students. This impact involves not only the teaching of particularly academic skills, but as importantly, the fostering of student self-esteem. Reinforcing self-esteem in the classroom is associated with increased motivation and learning. So no matter what a teacher does, a student will always remember that teacher because of something that they did, which tells a lot. And uh, a teacher, those type of teachers should be appreciated more. Um, so meaning every teacher should be appreciated more. This leads me to my next reason that higher salaries result in students performing better. Um, when if teacher salaries were to go up, that will let the teachers focus on teaching their students and finding new ways to teach students their concepts. Because instead of that teacher finding a second job or a third job because their first job isn't providing the right amount of money that they need, stops them from learning new ways on teaching their students and finding different strategies on how to get students engaged in the classroom. Uh, Another little reason is that better pay equals better teachers. Um, if salaries go up, a lot of more experienced teachers will come in, meaning the education will uh, be very good. According to an article titled Six Proven Benefits to Increasing Teachers' Pay by Samantha Cleaver states, when teachers get paid more, students do better. In one study, a 10% increase in teacher pay has estimated to produce a 5 to 10% increase in student performance. Teachers' pay also has a long-term benefit for students. A 10% increase in per pupil spending for each of the 12 years of education results in students completing more education, having 7% higher wages, and having a reduced rate of adult poverty. So a lot can be accomplished when teacher salaries can go up. This leads me to my conclusion that teachers deserve better and they deserve more. They deserve much more benefits and a higher salary because teachers are very important and they're the frontliners of education. Today we talked about uh, how higher salaries will motivate others to become teachers, how teachers do more than just teach, and how uh, higher salaries will result in better student grades. Thank you. These are my sources.